Hello, everybody. Today I want to take you for the tour of my surrounding. I want to show you about the nature. And right now I'm standing in front of my gate. This is my gate. And so let's go and see. Firstly, I want to show you this flower. This flower is also in the room freshener. It also a very good, beautiful mirror at night time. Also, this shows a relaxing and healing. When you keep in your room, the smell keep you healing and relaxing. This one is a Ayurvedic tree growing next to my building. And the flower is beautiful. You will not see this tree everywhere. This is a Ayurvedic, it's a medicine plant. Here I see a very beautiful flower, right hand side of my building. The wind is also ever blowing. It's a very nice outside. This time when you go outside, the wind will blow and it will be enjoy and having a fun. Here we have a bougainvillea flower. This is growing backside of my building. And also sunny here. It's very hot outside, but sometimes when the wind blowing, it feel very nice. This tree growing right hand side of my building, but you also found in this in the forest this kind of tree everywhere. But the flower is very beautiful. See, this is a someone building backside of my building, and this flower tree is growing near there, and but also there playing with the flower. Yellow bud. This also a bougainvillea flower growing in very high at the top. And I turn out my camera and shooting the video. This flower looks very beautiful in your gate, showing like a welcoming your guests who is coming to your house. And also very beautiful for decoration of your house. Hello guys, a bat is sitting on this tree. Many bats are here. See, you see? Bat is playing with the flower, also creeping. Yeah, see? Can you see that? This one is a banana plant. This plant is growing right hand side of my building, in front of my building. And also there is a banana fruits here. You can see that. Very beautiful. I think that's all for today. And please subscribe my channel and like my video so that I can make a good video in the next. Thank you very much guys. Bye for today.